Okay, guys, what is up? Look at this bench full of parts. We got the wastegate, precision. We got rock auto boxes flying off the shelf with O2 sensors. We got spark plugs. We got demon injectors. Demon. It's an evil build. I don't know. We got all the turbo fittings in. I just got the bungs in the oil filter housing for the feed line. We drilled and tapped the pan for the drain line. I replaced the power steering hoses while we're in here because they were sweaty. Anyway, I got some sandpaper here. I've been doing some sick body work. And there's the hot pipe. So that piece is actually solid mounted. We're gonna solid mount the turbo. We have exhaust flex pieces welded in all of the exhaust piping to help with vibration, and silicone boots on the cold side, so that should handle that vibration. It'll probably snap off down the highway. You know how we do. You know how we do. Pick up some wastegate tubing here at our local performance shop, Mark's. Seeing that it's an SRT, we're taking the 1.5 inches. We're going to run that straight up to 1 3/4 inches.
Welcome back to the channel.
Well, I was putting the plugs in here, and we just snarked off the old dipstick tube, so have the demon injectors installed. Didn't film anything. Didn't think you guys would care. Got a blankie on the turbo. Wrapped all the exhaust pipes here. I welded in the O2 bung for our AFR gauge. So this pipe is ready to go in permanently. So we're going to clamp it on and start working on the rest of this stuff. Don't mind the rusty pipe. It come off of a gen set. Guys, 5 days to the car show. We have just piles of junk everywhere.
Okay guys, I started a professional bead rolling business here.
It's called budget beads.
Special bead rolling pliers right here.
Alright guys, I'm going under. Putting the exhaust back on, which always is a good thing, except for everything else isn't done.
Our jack stands are a little sketchy, so we'll see if
I'm not in radium, I'll probably be in here. What's up guys? Got her all welded. So this is actually piping from my cat generator we had got given to us because budget build. Anyway, you see my beat area here. The cross member's pretty close to that, so we're gonna just get the old ball peen. Boom. That's precision. off, so we got him, guys. And the list is shrinking. I just crossed off downpipe, exhaust finish. We redid the hot pipe to fit the exhaust because it's pretty close to the ground. I still have to cut and put the tubing on for the precision wastegate, but we'll get to that. Anyway, Michael's finishing off the fuel pump install. He installed the injectors. He did the spark plugs. We got the paddle shifter. Well, I don't even know. The interior is a little intense. I just chopped off the power steering. There's a holding bracket here to slide the power steering reservoir in. It would not fit with this this mod, which is weird. The instructions said nothing about having to cut this off. So yeah, we got that in there. Look at that fitment. Ooh, oh, look at that. So I'll actually come back here. Yeah, give her a pull.
Pulling. I'm back at work.
I've made and designed this cardboard template. We are going to remount the power steering reservoir over in this little pocket here. So that'll sit right down like that. And go to my cutting bench where I have my steel placed. Right in the middle of the yard. And we'll lay it down in a corner here. And here we go. Boom. That'll be put over here. Probably welded on at an angle somewhere like that so the hoses will have a spot. Okay, that is a wrap for tonight. Michael's got some of the interior put back together. AFR wiring and gauge is all pretty much done. We finished all of the piping. We have all the intake pipes, hot pipes, down pipes, the pipe for the blow off, and the pipe for the wastegate. Turbo blankets on, turbo oil and drain line are almost done. Just have to measure the oil feed and cut it.